In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order history on GoDaddy in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're a seasoned user of GoDaddy or just getting started with managing your domains, knowing how to navigate your order history can help you keep track of your purchases and any related details. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to GoDaddy's website. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for GoDaddy, which is godaddy.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with their main homepage, filled with a range of services they offer, from domain names and website hosting to online marketing tools. Now, once you've landed on the GoDaddy homepage, you should direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find a cart icon that looks like a shopping basket. Clicking this icon is your next move. If you're already logged in, this will take you directly to the checkout and account overview area. If you're not logged in yet, you may be prompted to enter your login details. Simply type in your username and password and proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll again want to click on the cart icon, which will still be in the top right-hand corner. This step might seem redundant, but it ensures that you're accessing the correct section that's tailored to your account. By doing this, you will navigate yourself into a space where all transaction-related information is typically stored. From here, you'll want to explore the sections available in your account. You should see a variety of options such as account settings, payment methods, and one labeled order history. This is where GoDaddy keeps a record of all your purchase activities, domains registered, hosting services, and any add-ons you've opted for. Clicking on the Order History tab will unveil a detailed list of all your past transactions. Here, each order will be laid out with essential details including the date of transaction, description of the services or products, and any associated costs. It's especially helpful if you want to track specific purchases, verify charges, or ensure renewal setups are correct. Accurate insights like these can help you in managing your accounts and planning for future needs. Remember, maintaining an overview of your order history can be crucial for budgeting and understanding your expenditures better. This simple process on GoDaddy helps ensure you have all this information at your fingertips whenever you need it. And there you have it, an easy guide to checking your order history on GoDaddy in 2025. I hope this video has made the process clear and straightforward. Be sure to explore and familiarize yourself with GoDaddy's suite of tools to make the most of your online endeavors. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.